Hello everyone, so get ready with me for this beautiful look. First, I'm using this in color primer and applying all over my skin. Oh, sorry, all over my face. Why? I just love this photo shoot. It turns out so beautiful. Wait till the end, you will see the beautiful pictures of me in this video. So, keep on going. So sorry, I forgot to show you the palette. I used the Krylon Super Derma palette for my foundation and using the PAC's beautiful foundation brush. So setting my foundation, I'm using the Naked Sex Clemis loose powder. Can you see the foundation all over my face? It's just so light color. No, it's not so light color. It will settle down slowly because it's Krylon and it will really settle down. It gives full coverage. Can you imagine? It gives a really good coverage. Now I'm filling my brows with CV3 gel liner. It's also used as a brow pencil. Why didn't I shoot the product? Why I'm feeling so dumb. Now finally I showed this product video. I'm taking into the Revolution palette and the brown color as I show it to you, and just applying on my crease line, upper of my crease line. Just look at this. Now I literally blend all this product all over my eyes, and now I'm taking this golden shimmer and applying on my inner corners to look bright and all. Look at this pigmentation. It's so cool. I know why I didn't I took this to shape my brows as well and for kajal as well. Now look at my nose. It's so fucking crazy. I'm fucking crazy, literally. I thought it will blow up my YouTube channel, but it didn't. I'm seeing right now it's what did I did this video? I don't know, please. Now I'm using mascaras. It's Hilary Duda's mascara and it's so good. Look at this, nice. You can see easily caught the difference now. It's cool. Now I'm using the Oriflame blusher, and I love blusher. You already know that if you've seen my many of videos, I love blusher. Now I'm applying a bit of highlighter on my cheekbones. Look at this. I hope you've seen it from my Revolution palette, obviously. Look at this pigmentation. It's so pretty and it looks so great. I don't know, you can see it on camera, but in real life it looks so gorgeous, literally. Now I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Choco Bar lipstick for this video. Doesn't have any purpose, just I got ready for this beautiful dress and for this photo shoot, and my photos turned out to be so great. I will show you just a second. I will show it to you, so get ready for that. So I put my clothes on. I am fitting on this earrings. I know it's painful, but sometimes you have to do it. It has beautiful earrings. It comes with a neck piece, you can say that. It's a beautiful necklace. I am showing it to you. Just wait for a second. Just so I can't able to tie up by myself, so I always call my sister to help me. Always. She is my big supporter. So I called her and she's tying my neck piece. So now I'm putting the small red bindi and it looks so great. You can see it. And my makeup is also settled right now. And my hair is also done. It has curls. You can see it. It's so beautiful. Now let me show you some clips of my photo shoot. And You are already seeing it, and after that, I will show you photos.